Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dimas Aditya Faturrahman with NPM 2241100X. My from class management 20A. Here I will explain material about working capital management. Next, definition of working capital management. Working capital management consists of two elements, namely assets and current liabilities. In the world of accounting, management working capital is a strategy and maintaining a balanced level of current assets and current liabilities, such as managing cash flow, inventory and company debit and receivable. Working capital management has a very important role in a business. A very dedication from management can has a direct impact on increasing profit, raise sales, and also the company share price. This is also direct related to increased cash sales and the fund needed for current activa costs. Next, objective management (MO). The purpose of working capital is so that a business can manage its current assets and current liabilities. So you get working capital or better net and guarantee the level of liquidity in a business. This current asset can be in the form of cash securities, receivable, inventory, and so on. Funding required to support current asset. Well, another goal of working capital, among other, are as follow. 1. Fulfilling the profit or loss of a business. 2. Maximize fund from share owner because it has more positive financial ratio. 3. Able to value working capital so that payment for needs can be made on time. 4. Able to protect the company from a working capital crisis. Next, working capital concept. 1. Quantitative concept. The quantitative concept in working capital management is quantity or amount. Cost contained in the current asset element. Current asset also have fund with return in a shorter period of time or in its original form. So, working capital in the quantitative concept is the entire amount of the company current asset. Working capital in this sense is also known as gross working capital. 2. Qualitative concept. If the qualitative concept is only relates to the amount of current asset, in this qualitative concept of working capital will be closely related to the amount of current debit of or debit that must be paid immediately. For this reason, some current asset must be available to be able to finance financial obligation. Companies that must be carried out immediately must not be used to finance company operation. The main goal is for the company to be able to maintain its liquidity level. Qualitative working capital is often referred to as net working capital. Next, functional concept. The main basis in the functional concept is the cost store of capital and also the fund of spend have a function in obtaining business income. The concept is that cost will be used to generate income in the accounting period or what is the usually cash current income, while some other costs are also used in this accounting period, but not all of these funds used to get current income. Some of these funds are also used to generate income or for the next accounting period, which is generally known as the future income. A simple example, let's say there is a business that invests capital. Some of the funds are in government bond instrument. Then the fund operate succeeded in generating current income in the form of interest or income. This clothing business was actually created to trade clothes rack to make investment, so the funds are invested in bond instrument. This can later be invested in the textile business, such a development business by purchasing new makes or raw material. Will here are the fund, which is categorized as potential working capital. As we know, cash and inventories are a form of working capital owned by a business. Some of the company receivable are also included in capital work and some other are included in potential working capital. Next, for the number of basic operation or sales, more the size of sales or main operation, then the need business capital will also get bigger. To on the contrary, meanwhile, working capital turnover is getting faster. Working capital turnover, then the capital required will also be relatively larger. Conversely, if rotation on capital slow down, so thus the capital required will be less. Next, determination working capital. The amount of working capital required in a business must be calculated properly by all professional parties, such as by the Chief Finance Officer (CFO) or by the financial manager, so that there is no shortage or excess of capital. Capital can change due to change in sales. For example, if sales increase, working capital will also increase. However, the amount of capital will depend on its current asset. Usually, the amount of working capital needed in a business really dependent on the things, namely the number of main operation or sales and capital turnover. For the amount of basic operation or sales, the greater the sales or operation, basically the business capital requirement to will get bigger. To on the contrary, meanwhile, for working capital turnover, the faster the turnover of working capital, then the capital required will also be relatively bigger. Conversely, if rotation the capital slow down, then the capital less will be required. Next, working capital requirement. Any capital used in a short period of time to finance a company operational activity is referred to as working capital. Working capital is always needed by a company to carry out company activity every day. Working capital that is always needed by a company is in its daily activity is referred to as permanent working capital. This working capital includes primary working capital, normal working capital, and variable working capital. Primary working capital is working capital that must be available to maintain business continuity in a company, while normal working capital is used for production under normal circumstances. Meanwhile, variable working capital is related to change in the amount of capital under conditions. Current variable working capital is divided into three types, namely seasonal working capital, cycle working capital, and emergency working capital. Seasonal working capital is a capital working value change due to seasonal change in business condition. Working capital cyclical is working capital value change due to the business cycle. Meanwhile, emergency working capital is working capital value change at emergency condition within the company. Next, the level of liquidity of a company can be determined by calculating working capital. The company can pay all current liabilities short-term without having adequate working capital. Companies need working capital to Limited liquidity company. Lack of working capital can hamper activity production by the company. Slowdown in production activities, then it also has an impact on product distribution activity to consumer. The need for working capital is calculated through the difference between payment and cash receipt. Apart from that, there is also a net for working capital view from a financial management perspective. Management finance generally pays great attention to assets mostly as an important factor in company operation. A good company can be released with the amount of current asset with a minimum percentage of 5% of the company total asset on small company or micro, small, and medium enterprise. The current asset is a factor that ensures business continuity. Meanwhile, asset commodity is also directly related to sales activity on company. This condition then create working capital requires great attention by the company. Next, conclusion. Working capital management is a strategy to maintain balance current asset and current liabilities, such as management of cash flow, inventory, and account payable and receivable. For knowing the amount of working capital needed can be done using the method average balance and cost element method. A business needs to carry out working capital management to optimize spending with a sales tier, obtain funds from investor because it has good financial ratio positive, can appreciate working capital so that payment of need always done on time, and has protection from working capital crisis. Financial report shall be recorded and presented currently and accurate in accordance with accounting standard. To make this easier for you can use accounting software such as Microsoft. With Microsoft, you can record and manage 300 plus report simultaneously, real time, anytime, and anywhere. That's all presentasi. I say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.